When Hollywood rolls out the red carpet, the fashion world holds its breath. And at the Jurassic World, Rebirth and F1, the movie world premieres? Let's just say the stars showed up and showed out. Welcome back, fashion lovers. Today, we're diving into Red Carpet Fashion 2025. Two premieres, countless iconic looks, and celebrities who did not come to play. From futuristic statements to classic glamour, these movie events turned into full-blown fashion shows. Let's break down the best dressed at the Jurassic World Rebirth and F1, the movie premieres. Jurassic World Rebirth Red Carpet World Premiere in London. Blaise stuns in sheer futuristic gown. At the Jurassic World Rebirth World Premiere in London on June 17, 2025, Blaise broke all fashion rules in the best possible way. Ditching the traditional gown, Blaise arrived in a custom high-neck, long-sleeve sheer gown made from a chainmail-like mesh fabric in earthy brown tones. The gown's visual texture was mesmerizing, thanks to the interplay of light and transparency. What made the look truly groundbreaking were the sculptural embellishments, metallic or crystal circular accents that ran vertically down the front, highlighting the sleek silhouette. This artistic ensemble was a perfect tribute to the film's prehistoric themes with a cyber-futuristic twist, blending primal elegance with avant-garde design. Scarlett Johansson dominates in Berlin, wearing structured black balmain. Scarlett Johansson turned heads at the Jurassic World Rebirth Berlin premiere with a bold custom strapless black balmain gown from the Fall 2025 collection. The crocodile embossed texture added richness to the fabric, while balmain's signature gold buttons gave it a sharp, military-inspired edge. Her styling was flawless. Hair slicked back, vibrant orange lips, and minimal accessories allowed the gown's details and her natural confidence to shine. Although some minor fit issues were visible in the skirt's length, the overall look reinforced Scarlett's commanding red carpet presence. It was a powerful fusion of timeless allure and modern edge. Scarlett Johansson returns to old Hollywood glamour in Vivienne Westwood. At the London premiere of Jurassic World Rebirth, Scarlett made another fashion statement in a baby pink, sequin-encrusted corset gown by Vivienne Westwood. The gown, with its signature draping and form-fitting structure, recalled classic Hollywood bombshell elegance. Her side-swept waves, soft makeup, and sparkling diamonds enhanced the vintage vibe. The shimmering fabric glimmered with each movement, creating a show-stopping moment that reminded everyone of Johansson's undeniable style legacy. This look was not just beautiful, it was the ultimate red carpet comeback. F1 Red Carpet World Premiere in New York City. Brooks Nader blazes in red. Model Brooks Nader brought the heat to the F1, the movie world premiere in NYC, with a fiery red midi dress that embodied modern minimalism. The sleeveless silhouette, mock-neck collar, and gently pleated skirt made for a sleek, bold look. Simple yet impactful, the scarlet hue spoke volumes and aligned perfectly with the adrenaline and energy of Formula One. Nader's styling proved that a confident color and sharp tailoring can be all you need to turn heads. Sunisa Lee sparkles in sophisticated sequins. Olympic gold medalist Sunisa Lee traded the podium for the red carpet in a shimmering column gown made of dark plum or black sequins. With a slinky slip dress cut, delicate spaghetti straps, and lace-trimmed neckline, her look radiated refined glamour. Her minimal accessories and soft waves allowed the dress's sparkle to shine without distraction. It was a mature, graceful red carpet debut for the young athlete, proof that she's ready for the fashion spotlight. Jurnee Smollett wows in electric blue elegance. Jurnee Smollett lit up the F1 red carpet in a show-stopping sapphire gown. The dress's plunging neckline and subtle spaghetti straps exuded charm, while the ruched waist and thigh-high slit added drama and movement. Crafted from a slightly metallic fabric, the gown shimmered as she walked, creating a commanding presence. This was a confident and modern take on red carpet sophistication, bold, elegant, and undeniably memorable. Pritika Swarup keeps it chic in minimalist black. Pritika Swarup proved the power of simplicity with a high-neck, sleeveless black mini dress that was tailored to perfection. The sleek design offered a contemporary yet timeless feel, with the fabric catching just enough light to keep things interesting. With her understated elegance and subtle confidence, Swarup showed that minimalist style, when executed flawlessly, can be just as striking as more elaborate gowns. Lindsey Vonn takes flight in leather-inspired power dressing. Lindsey Vonn embraced high fashion with a rebellious twist at the F1 premiere, donning a chocolate brown leather trench coat reimagined as a mini dress. The piece was cinched at the waist, featuring exaggerated pockets and wide lapels reminiscent of vintage pilot jackets. Her styling, sleek top knot, dark gloves, pointed pumps, reinforced the aviation-inspired theme. This edgy, character-driven look felt cinematic in its own right, echoing the speed and daring of Formula One. Brad Pitt and Ines Ramon deliver couple-style goals. Brad Pitt and Ines Ramon made a powerful fashion statement together at the F1 premiere in NYC. Ines stunned in a two-piece set featuring a sheer halter top and a flowing, pleated skirt with feather detailing. Her look was ethereal and romantic, enhanced by a pristine white Chanel purse. Brad complimented her in a navy double-breasted suit with a contrasting black lapel. A crisp white shirt and satin pocket square polished off his classic look. Their chemistry and style synergy made them one of the standout pairs of the evening, elegant, harmonious, and perfectly styled.
Summary.
From Blaise's futuristic mesh gown to Scarlett's two unforgettable looks. And from Nader's red-hot elegance to Lindsey Vonn's leather runway moment. These premieres gave us more than just movie buzz. They gave us fashion history. Red Carpet Fashion 2025 is off to a thrilling start, and these stars have set the bar sky high. Whether they channeled bold innovation or timeless beauty, these celebrities reminded us why we watch the carpet just as much as the film. Which look was your favorite? Comment below with your best dressed pick. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and tap that notification bell for more red carpet recaps and celebrity fashion breakdowns every week. See you on the next red carpet review.